How we doing, everybody? This your boy Yancey Man back with another video, and today I'll be doing a quick unboxing and reviewing of the Vivitar sunset lamp. Okay. Like, share, subscribe my video. As always, I encourage you to drop your comments below, comments and questions, and I'll respond back to you at my earliest convenience. All right. Quick look around the box. Vivitar. This kind of is going to look. 5 sunset color effects. A couple of ways you can use it. It's USB powered, height adjustable, adjustable angle, removable spotlight. So you can use this on different camera devices. This one piece here. Okay. Size, branding on the back. There's even a hashtag you can use if you're using this lamp. Looks like she's using it on TikTok, so that's what's hot now. These are your different color settings. 6'5" cable, USB remote. Oh, that's cool. Anyway, I picked this up at Walmart. I think I paid 15 bucks for it. Alright, got it open. Let's see. Okay. That's everything. Instructions. Might not need those. I don't know. Anyway, so out the box. There's a stand, adjustable stand. Okay. This looks like the platform on the base. Pretty heavy. There's your light. There's a little fish eye effect, bubble dome to it. It's different. Remote control. I'm gonna guess that's to change the different color settings. And the different lights. I see. So you unscrew that. And put this in on. Okay. Oh no, it goes right underneath here. Got it. Alright, that's everything. So just by first sight, you know, without reading anything, it looks like these different colors will go underneath here, and you saw how easy it was to screw off. It's supposed to be 5. So I'm assuming they're going to count the one that's already on. It's 5 different colors. Okay. It's crazy. Anyway. Get a portable charger. See how efficient it is. I have a TikTok account, but I haven't posted any videos, so because I hadn't posted on YouTube in a while, so I figure I'd wait, and then I can advertise my YouTube on my TikTok. Alright, so this actually is just on and off switch, which would have been cool if it was, you know, you could adjust to the cycle through the lights with this, but for 15 bucks, that'd have been asking too much. So anyway, so let's see, looks like this just scoop this out somehow. Don't give me a hard time. Scoop that out and you change the colors. There you go. So we're gonna go with I'm gonna go with red. Let's put that in, make sure it's seeing all the way even across all around. Take this on the top, close it up. Alright, make sure that's tight. And then you got your red effect. Let's set this up. Let's see. Should be fairly easy. Pokes up there. Screw that back down. Screwing that in actually locks the pen in place, or the spokes in place. And then you just shit. And then you just screw it in the top, like so. Alright. And then this piece goes on top. Of course, this would have went a lot smoother if I'd have taken it out first, but whatever, you get it. So that's how it looks. Let's see if I can take it out. Before I zoom out, I guess so. Anyway, this is how it looks. So flip it. Where's the? All right. So that's red. Okay. So this is supposed to give you a different background lighting, as you can see on the display here. She's using it. It's kind of up to you how you use it. It's got to be very creative. Now, as you can see on the front, see how it's giving that sunset look, hence sunset lamp. Alright. That's red. Not bad. Not really bright, but I guess it's not meant to be. The platform is strong, real sturdy. You can use this as well to kind of give it that toggle, I guess is what I'm trying to say, or adjustable feel to it. I think this seemed to be, oh man, that's tight. Okay, that's a good thing though. Let me put that piece on too. So that'll add about, I don't know, an inch and some change to the height. That's cool. Guess if I start vlogging where y'all can see my face, I use this as my background light. I don't know. But like I said, that's just, this piece here is just to make it adjustable, and you can lock it in right here. Just lock it in and so. Alright. So you get the gist of it. No sense in me going through all the colors. And then you can just adjust it as like so. Alright. Like, share, subscribe if you haven't already. Tell somebody about this video.